Next, we're going to mount the LNB onto the end of the LNB control arm. So it ultimately ends up looking like this. But before we do that, we're going to take the short piece of coax that came with the kit and slide it up the LNB control arm. Next, we'll take our adapter. One end hooks onto the end of the shaft like this, and the other end screws onto the LNB itself. We're going to take out these two screws. The other two screws for this end, I'm just going to leave them loose. I'm not going to take them out. I'm going to slide the coax through here. We'll pull it apart just a little, slide it over the end, so it's like so. We'll tighten this up. Remember not to over tighten this, you don't want to crack the plastic. There we go. That's attached. Next we'll take the LNB. You'll see that there are 4 ports across here. Each one is labeled 1, 2, 3, and LNB in. The last port here, the LNB in, is for an additional satellite dish. For this example, we're going to use port number 1. Take our coax. It should thread on really nice and easy. If it doesn't, please take your time. Now that the coax is attached, we're going to slide it into the end of the LNB adapter. Take our 2 screws, and they will come up from underneath. I like to start them by hand. We'll take our Phillips screwdriver. There we go. Now we have a LNB attached to the LNB control arm. We're ready to continue the rest of our installation. Let's continue on by connecting the cable to the receiver, and we'll continue on from there.